Siguro, naminaw ka na podcast and you're old enough to see what life is. Huwag siguro makinon ka, yeah, I have all my experiences and all. And nanan ka sa edad sad na daghan kag mga nahitabo sa mong kinabuhi, no? But nakoy question sa imo ha. Asa man sa imuhang aspect sa kinabuhi nimo na makaingon ka nga sure gyud na mahitabo gani siya sa imuha, no? So, muna itong istiyahan ka man episode.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
Well, atong istayahan ang mga butang na makaingon ta na sigurado gyud na mahitabos tong kinabuhi but sa dili ta magsugod atong paminahon kung kinsa tong sponsors. Last week wala ako naka-upload full episode sa ato ang channel, no. Naka-upload ko, that was a special episode for gyud siya, no? It's because wala ako nakahimo og newsletter. And kabalo kita na newsletter is really part of this episode, or every episode na gani siya mga corresponding newsletter, no. So mo na atong public newsletter. So basically kambal gani silang duha, ang newsletter ug ang episode, no. And the reason na wala ako nakahimo ato na episode or mga newsletter na mga angay na akong pangbuhaton is because namatay ang akong uncle and namatay siya ato na week. And tanang mga schedules na ako na usab. And as I mentioned sa ato ang special episode, no, and I rather help my uncle na akong uncle mawagi na siya tatay na sad nako, no, and I'd rather help him na lang rather than na maghimo kog something sa akong channel, no. And that was actually a special case because kalit-kalit due to siya and we are probably exposed po atong panahon na and maybe infected po sa iyang sakit. But anyway, after sa mga results na mo, no, thank God nga negative sa tanan. So I really don't want to get into details about his death, but there's only one thing that I really want to point out is that one thing for sure siguro about this life is that we were born and we will die. And I think that's really so sure, no? And then in between is just like a mystery lang, no? In between your birth certificate and your death certificate, no? And I think it's up to you na lang to create your life, I know. And from point A that you were born to the point B that you will die, then in between of those, there is no assurance in this life. And those are one thing that I'm so sure in my crazy ass life. And so one thing for sure also that sooner or later, I will die soon, no? And I don't know about you, if you are so sure that you will become a CEO in a company, or maybe you can be a successful YouTuber or a podcaster or maybe an influencer, or maybe you're so sure that you will have a cancer or a diabetes or anything, no? Or maybe you're so sure na at this age you are what you are and siguro kayon ka, yeah, inani na age, inani na pug ko, no? So well, nabuhat na ako na siya on my early age na nakaingon ko before 30 years old na ako, naabot ko sa unsay gusto na ako maabot. And before 35 years old sa na ako, nabuhat sa na ako akong gustong buhaton, no. Yes, some of it nabuhat na ako, no, but I was not so sure kung makuha ba gito na ako tong panahon na, no. And also, I'm not so sure if makuha pa na ako kung unsa akong gusto on my next plan. I think what matter most right now is that I'm heading that way. And I think most people have the finite and infinite mindset, but the reality there is that there's always be a finish line, and everything we do nagi kahumana, no. And maybe some people may continue your work or not, and it's up to them na lang, no. I think after your time is up, I think you're done, diba? I mean, people have shorter lifespan, maybe some of it like na yung mga dugay mamatay, no. Same po ni siya na nag-talk may sa mo ang family friend, no, about sa akong uncle. And niana siya namo na ngano man gyud nga ang mga buotan ng mga tao mo may kuhaon sa Ginoo. And please allow me to say some religious things in this context. Bisan tuod nga ikaw ang klaseng tao nga dili mo tuog Ginoo, no. But niana siya nako tong panahon na ngano man gyud ang mga buotan ng mga tao mo may kuhaon sa Ginoo, no. Well, niana pagid siya na daghan kuno kay mga tao na mga maldito sa kalibutan ngano dili man sila ang unahong kuhaon. Diba? Mas nalipay pagay kuno siya na kuhaon ng iyang uncle, no, nga kawatan og maldito sa una. I mean, we're not praying for death sa iyang uncle, no, but mo iyang sulti, no. And yan siya ngano pagid kuno na ako ang uncle pa ang gikuha nga buotan magitan ni akong uncle, no. And dito ko nego siyang giingon. So, kung kamo nakapaminaw mo sa season 1 ug season 2 nako, no. Nako yung mga episodes about kids with leukemia. And at that age siguro mga 4 years old, mga 8 years old, mga nakamatay na. And ang uban gani na yung mga 3 months, 6 months pa lang daan ng mga bata nagkasakit na, no. And those kids gani wala pa gani sila nag-enjoy silang kinabuhi, no. And napa gani mga 80 years old nga mga bedridden na and wala pa gipangkuha sa Ginoo, no. And na yung mga healthy na mga 30 years old, mga 40 years old nga kuhaon at their age and maybe siguro mga na-disgrasya or maybe something, no. And na yung mga teenager na mga namatay because riot or maybe pang pusil, no. And even mga toddlers na yung mga sakit, nangamatay tungkol sila mga sakit, no? And I really want to incorporate the short-term and the long-term mindset here, no? Well, usahay makapangutana ta na asam gud kutob ang imong mindset kung ang imong lawas kutob ra sa dinha, di ba? And I don't get me wrong about preparing for the future and welcoming it, no? But I mean, we still need to prepare it because, like I said, no, everything is unknown, no, in between your birth certificate and your death certificate, no. So in between that, wala ta kabalo kung sa itong mabuhat o wala ta kabalo sa mahitabuan, ano. Even the researchers siguro dili makatagna, no, kung anos adyo ka mamatay unless kung patyon ka, no, but and then the natural death lang siguro, no. But what if dili pa sa ka mamatay and then you're not preparing for the future and then kung sa mahitabo nimo, you will have a miserable life, di ba? Dili tabang imong kinabuhi. So what I mean about this is that maybe you can break your long-term mindset into short-term goals, no? That you can paint a better future, no? Kumbaga na kay mga pit stops or maybe na kay mga milestones na makaingon ka na if I'm painting a better picture, then I think I need to draw first the first circle. Then after that, if napaka time, then you will draw the first line and intersection lines and then creates a triangles within the circle, no? So nanay mga triangle within the circle. Then, if napadjukay time, then you will color one triangle with red, no? And sa siguro ang uban, ang other one is blue, the other triangle is yellow. So, muna siya yung mga pit stops siguro yung makuhanan every time na kay mga short-term goals leading to a bigger picture, no? And siguro, wala na kay time because your time is up, no? You are done in this earth, though. And maybe some people may follow you or maybe continue your work that they figure it out that you are trying to make a color wheel, no? And that's it, diba? You make a short-term goals leading to a bigger goals, no? So, muna siya kung gustong pasabutan. Those are the things that we're not so sure about, no? And wala ta kabalo if makuha ba ganun nato ato ang goals, no? Because we all know that life have a full of ups and downs, no? Daghang kay mga obstacles sa tang kinabuhi na wala ta kabalo nga makaya ba nato na yung klaseng nga challenge, no? And but we are so sure right now that we were born and we will die. And I think that's it. Those are the things that it's so clear sa atong kinabuhian, you know. Value your life while you have it, no? Because actually, the first time na I saw a dead body in front of me, and it was actually an unexpected death, and it's my loved one, no? And from there, I really value the life more than ever. It's because it come to my mind actually about suicide in my early age, but thank God wala na hitabo sa akong kinabuhi. And it's really good to be alive. And ato na moment, nakita dyan ako pod na unsa gyud ang tao kung mamatay, no? And in front of me is my uncle's dead body, and I can also see my dead body right there, no? And makingon ko na sooner or later, I am one of these dead bodies. And maybe wala pa mo naka-experience sa botang na namatay sa imuhang atubangan, no? And atong panahon na lang na mo na ito'y na-experience na ko and naka-reflect lang ko ato sa akong kugulingon ba that sooner or later inani sa gupuhon, no? Well, it's just that I think my candle is still burning and I still have those lifeline pagid siguro. And as I end this episode with my final thoughts, and I think death is just around the corner waiting for us. And it's there, diba? Kabalo kita na. It's there for us to value what life is, no? Because immortals don't value life and people, no? Because wala sila kabalo kung unsa di mawad-an sa usa ka butang, no? Kung dili mawala ang butang sa imo, ha? And if we are so sure that we are racing in this life and leading to the finish line called death, and the winner are just the unlucky ones, and naala ko'y pangatana, no? And these are two things that I question a lot in my life, no? And maybe you have those answers as well, no? And maybe this is all the questions also that it's nice to pass to the other people. And this is really a good question to ponder also, no, as we go along in this life, no? So my questions are, 1 is how do we live? 2nd, and how do we die? Please answer those questions as you move forward in your life, no? No need to comment your answers. Your life matters to me more than a comment, like, or share. I think a beating heart is more than an algorithm for me, no? And please, do me a favor. Please stay alive because I love you. And please allow me to feature and dedicate this episode to my Uncle Ricky's death. No, you may rest in peace. We love you. And I know we may think that you are the unlucky one here on earth, but you are the lucky one in heaven. May you rest in peace. May you have the eternal peace with God. And this is the end of this episode. And ayaw lang ninyo kalimti, basta magluto, maglimpyo, maghugas, maglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara. Kanina podcast para sa imo, ha? Until next time. Bye-bye.